Hey yo, what's good, fam? Out here in the beautiful city of Long Beach. You see it? You see it? You see it? Alright, listen. Today starts my fitness program, y'all. Listen, I gotta do better. Your boy been slacking. Mansion man, what up? You know what I'm saying? You gotta get right. What's the areas that you have to address or you need to address for yourself? You know what I'm saying? Listen, as men, we don't stop growing. Now, no jokes, because I know I'm like 5'5". You know what I'm saying? But listen, we don't stop growing, we don't stop pursuing, we don't stop getting better. So this is an area that I've been slacking in, whatever you want to call it. But it's time. So it's this beautiful, I don't want to call it a trail, but it's on the beach. Your boy about to get it in, and I'm going to make this a daily thing. My daily declaration. I got to get a fresh perspective on working out. A lot of you know, some of you know, and I used to be into fitness like 3 years ago, like super into it. Dropped from 268 all the way down to I think it was like 174 is my lowest. So now I'm back up in the 200s, not high 200s, but 209 to be exact, when I got on the scale today. So my goal is to get back down, and I'm gonna do it. This is a challenge. I need y'all to hold me accountable. Let's get it. Alright, so y'all, it's about that time. It's time to show and prove, you feel me? So, y'all see I'm over here at the Boatyard Marina, and yeah, it's 6 miles total. I'm running half of it, because it's a sign that says LBC. It's like a dope graffiti sign. That's gonna be my stopping point, and it's 3 miles one way to that LBC sign, and 3 miles back. So it's a total of 6, and I still gotta walk on, which is about a mile from here. So that's 7 miles total today. So I'm going to stay consistent, y'all. Every day I'm getting it in. Of course, unless it's storming or something like that, but it ain't going to rain all day. It's Southern California, right? So listen, we going to get it. Listen, man, pray for your boy. Let's go. This is Rick Swap Production. Y'all listen. Whew. For a long time coming. So I don't even know how long it took me, because I did more of a run walk. I used to run 5 miles a day. I know your boy is kind of, not even kind of, out of shape, feeling it. But look what I got behind me though. That LBC, can you see it? That LBC. Yeah. Almost there, y'all. Almost there. After that, we turn around going back. They get it. Alright guys, so we made it. So you know what time it is. Time to run it all the way back. Let's go. Alright peeps, listen. I finally made it back to the crib. 7 miles, y'all. 7 miles done. Hold up, I gotta show you real quick. Cause I did them 7 miles. You gonna see it. Y'all see that? 7 miles. 7.9 to be exact. So I got it in today, y'all. I got it in. But that's what you gotta do, you know. As I said, love is a verb. Not just love, but you're talking about persistence. You're talking about goals. All of that is definitely a verb. So pushing through, making it happen. You know what I'm saying? That's what it takes. That's what it takes. So listen, this is gonna happen every single day. I'm committed to it. I need your accountability so that I can really make it happen. But no, it's something about, to me anyway, it's something about having somebody to know that you're doing what you're doing. And to me, I'm going to hold myself even more up to that standard to like, nope, I got to do this. I got to do this every day. So let's get on board. Let's do it, y'all. Like, we got goals to reach. So listen, if anybody wants to jump on a challenge with me, join in, lock in. That's all we got to do. I'm not doing it for 30 days, possibly more, like 60. This is a lifestyle change, but I want to do right, want to do better. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about, right? So let's lock in.
Walk in your temple, if I see hypocrisy, I'm flipping all of the tables like Jesus did. Gonna bring the noise to the enemy, I'm a born again hooligan. Bringing the light to the darkness, man, my hustle will never end. Stepping my foot on religion's neck, cause I'm a born again hooligan.